Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
Today we'll be taking a look at this Saint Laurent model SL327K in color code 001. It's a black color frame. The style of this frame is a full rim square. On the temple here we have a Saint Laurent writing in silver. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy, and this is the serial number. This is the other side of the temple. It also has a Saint Laurent writing in silver. The lenses are a gray color, and this frame is RXable. Up here we have a Saint Laurent case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity card, and the manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.